Today, my friends, we're at the unit for about 2 minutes because we're here to pick up some stuff. But I want to show you quickly because yesterday we spent most of the day, it only took a few hours to clean out the unit a little bit, and it looks a little bit nicer because we're going to be doing some stuff on this car soon. As I mentioned, if you want your name on the Corsa, there is a thing down below to join as a member. It's a lot of you. My hand's gonna hurt. But basically, we've got a little bit more space. As you can see, there's 2 cars here. The Corsa's out a little bit. Probably gonna move this diagonally, but hopefully we're a few months away from taking the BMW drifting. I say a few, maybe a couple. We'll see. All I'm here for is maybe some extra cleaning bits and the buckets. There's 2. So glad there's actually a button. On the Supra, there wasn't a button, you had to use the key. Will these buckets fit? Because this is a really small boot. There we go.
Just barely.
Yeah. We're basically going to do a couple of little bits to it. I'm going to ceramic coat it, and then I'm going to take that front plate off just to see what it looks like at the very least. And if I have to put a small plate on, I will. We put a small plate on Meadow's car, and it actually looks really, really nice. So.
Have we shown him that yet? The plate on my car?
I don't know.
We'll show you when we get home.
Yeah. Now, I am also planning to do a little bit of dechroming myself. I'm going to give it a go. I've got some of the knifeless tape and all that stuff ready to come. I'm just got to get the vinyl ordered and measure for that and stuff. But I'm going to do some dechroming myself. If it don't work, I'm going to get someone else to do it. But if you want to see me fail, be ready for that. If I don't upload it, I probably did fail. So I mentioned in the previous video, so basically there's the grille surround that I want to get. There's this bottom bit here that needs to be, you can get a carbon piece for this, but I think for now just wrap it. And then also the roof has a little strip along here. And I'm probably gonna go for gloss black just because this is also gloss black. It feels so fancy getting in here. Someone was asking about why the wheel moves when I got in and stuff. When I put my foot on the brake, the wheel moves to my position. It tilts up to let me get out easier, which is quite cool.
That's nice. So we just got back home, and here is the little plate that we decided to put on the front of my car. And I think it looks so cute. Like, I think it really suits the front of it. Every time I look at it, I get this big smile on my face because I think it looks so nice.
I promise you, it's so easy. Make sure your car's clean. Do it in an across motion. Go all the way over the edge. And then the same, just crisscross. And that's it. What we're gonna do is wait 2 minutes, and then you buff it off. That's it. You've got an extra little bit of protection. It's mostly useful for cleaning, but it'll help against stone chips. The Skyline, I've had it on it since I've got it, and I didn't see 1 stone chip on the front. I'd say total car, this is a big car. Maybe 2 hours to get this done. Definitely worth it. There's something that's bugging me. This car would look so much nicer if we took off this front plate. So I'm gonna do it. As I said, I may end up putting like a smaller one there. Yeah, definitely much nicer. So maybe. But I will say, it is a legal requirement to have a front plate in the UK. Just so you know. There we go. So, unfortunately, in the UK model, at least the cars that have to have front plates, you can see these holes here, but it's not really worth me getting a new grille for this yet. I'd probably have to get one from the States, but unless you want to send me one, that would be nice. It's been a couple of days since I filmed those initial clips, and I promised in the title that I'm going to be doing a little bit of a drive in this car. I've not done one properly yet. I've only done actually about 100 miles, and I had some issues with my GoPro last time. But this is going to be for the better because I've got some much better equipment set up, ready to go, and we're going to do a point of view drive at some of the points in this video. So now I need to get inside. It's horrible, windy and rainy today, but she's holding up well because of that ceramic coating. So we are on the move. Everything's set up right. Everything's going to be good. This time, it's going to look fantastic. It's going to sound fantastic. I'm actually going to be able to use the footage. So if you're seeing this, all went well. If not, We're gonna go for a little bit of a drive today, just a normal drive. We're gonna go for a little bit more of beans today. I did film quite a bit of beans in the previous. I need to make a beans shirt or something, don't I? But let's jump into Sport Plus, because normal ain't the lap. Country roads, man. Country roads. Here we go. Let's give it a little bit. Oh my God. I've missed this Lexus V8 noise. I'm surprised it makes, I'm gonna be set, I think it makes more noise stock than the RCF did, which is just odd. Like, RCF surely should make more. And that's not speaker noise. It sounds, it's weird. Speaker noise is so specific, it doesn't sound like a car. This sounds like a car. Now, there are very good roads around here. I've just got to figure out where they are. And also remember that this thing is huge. It is massive, and that's something that I'm gonna have to live with again. I went from a little itty bitty Supra, which was a great size car, to this land yacht. It is a land yacht, and that's fine, but I just gotta readjust, you know? Oh, did you hear the pop? Alright, this road looks like it could be good fun. Oh God, it's tiny. But it's clear, I can see dead ahead. If you ever wanted to see proper UK roads, I'm talking country roads, because Forza don't do it right, you're gonna be glad to see this. Okay, I'm gonna set up now my GoPro. I have got this set up, and it looks a bit stupid. It's got this casing on. It doesn't need all this stuff, but it's a mouth mount. It's not a toy of any kind. I found a little bit of space that's blocked off, so we can set up this, because I want it for myself. I want it for my own sake, you know? Okay, I guess without further ado, let's get it going. It's gonna look really stupid. I don't know how to use this type of thing. How do I do it? That was weird. It was a bit like being at the dentist, to be honest with you. Now, that's not a small UK road. That's probably like, that's a decently sized normal UK road. Let's go, baby. Get out of the road, woman. Let's give it a little bit. This Golf's trying to pass me. Nope! Let's do a little bit of, he's trying to race me still, ready? You lose, sucker! Come on, we gotta do it, come on, lads, I know! Ooh. So, clearly, fuel economy is not the focus. And I've done 20 miles, and it said I've done 45? So, if you're looking for something economical, I'd probably suggest the hybrid. There is a hybrid one, but it's... You don't get this. It was really good to see that you guys, you didn't even question what I was saying about not getting a supercar. This is supercar money, okay? Used supercar money, or like cheaper. Is it really a supercar? It was close to supercar money, a little bit more than a supercar. But here's the thing, I don't care. Like, I really don't care. To me, this was the one I wanted. This just had so much more character than a lot of the supercars I could have got for this money. Of course, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that none of the supercars in this budget had any character, but like, to me personally, this was a car for me. After having the Supra, having a car that was like, it wasn't for me. Like, I did buy it for my case, because a lot of people, oh, BMW. But I was like, people are gonna love it. I'm probably gonna love it. Didn't really work out that way. This car, I thought that most people would be like, oh, he's bought another Lexus, oh. But I genuinely didn't care. This one's for me, okay? This one's just for me. But apparently you guys love it too, and that's awesome. Again, I could have got an, oh, why don't you get a Mercedes and you put a turbo, it's got a turbo on it, and you could have mapped it and got like 7 million horsepower. I don't care. Nice to see that a lot of you guys appreciate that what this is too, and what it is to me. And I know some of you guys now also feel the same, that you feel, wow, actually no, this is dope. And that's such a cool feeling to me. Thank you, I appreciate you very much. Who's gonna be sending me an exhaust? I need more loudy, and I've not even had it a week. You need to stop, sir. Look at my yacht! Get out of my way! And so, there we have it, my friends. Do you know what? One of the coolest things about this car? Well, I need to do a video, maybe like cool things. Let me know if you want to see that. You can do one-hand thing so much easier because the steering wheel gets light when you put it in reverse. Like that's, and then it turns up when you go into drive, and when you drive faster it gets stiffer and like all that stuff, so it's kind of cool. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos on the LC. If that's not a yes, you're in the wrong place. Be sure to smash the like, subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace.